everyone, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Clark International Airport. Time check for your convenience, it's 6 past the hour of 10 in the morning. And we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 24 minutes ahead of the scheduled time of arrival. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the